Especially useful when using the TX Encounter in clip-on mode is the remote control, which is available as an accessory. To pair it with the TX Encounter, open the menu, navigate to the pairing icon and select Start Pairing. Then press and hold both small buttons on the remote control simultaneously for 5 seconds. Once the connection is successful, the device will display Successful Pairing. The remote control gives access to key functions. As with the TX Encounter itself, the buttons have dual functions.